Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to edit your footage using the source monitor in Adobe Premiere Pro. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you can see the source monitor. So when you launch Premiere Pro, you should have a window here called Source and another one here called Program Monitor, and this is our timeline. And basically what happens here is the footage we edit. What we see here is the final edited product, and let me show you what I mean. So we've got some footage down here, so let's double click it and it brings the footage up in the source monitor. Then we can scrub through, and I'm doing this by clicking and holding on the playhead here, and we can look what we can see in the footage. All very nice. If it's not playing back as quick as we'd like, we can actually force Premiere Pro to reduce the playback resolution, which is really handy if you want to edit quicker. You've got complex or heavy footage, or you've got an underpowered system. This is a fantastic way to make everything nice and fast. I'm going to keep it on full for now. So let's take a look. So let's say we want the focus, Paula. Let's say we want it on the hand and focusing on the sun. Let's say we want that. To make that edit, we see we've got here a mark in. You click that once and it's put a line there. Let's find where we want the shot to end, where the sun is, I think. You see here, click that again, mark out. So now we've set an in and an out point. So in the whole clip that we've got to use, everything recorded from the camera, we've selected this as the bit that we want to work with. And you can play it back by clicking here, play video into out. And that's by the way, just gonna play what we've selected between the in and the out point. And if you want to adjust those, say we go, oh, actually, I want to start it here. You can click and drag this, or you can just click mark in and it'll stretch it open. The keyboard shortcuts for this, by the way, are I and O. So let's just say, actually, I want it to start here. Tap I on the keyboard, it shortened it, and I want it to be a bit longer. I tap O on the keyboard, I and O, in and out. The out is when we want it to finish. So I've now selected a clip. So all I need to do now is click, hold and drag down onto the timeline. It's going to ask me to change the sequence settings, but that's no problem. It's because I didn't adjust it to begin with. But that is my clip. And I'm now viewing it in the program monitor. The program monitor is showing me what I've edited. So very quickly, if we select another clip, let's just say we want this shot here, a nice wide, and you scrub through. I like this bit, set an in point, drag along, set an out point, click, hold and drag. And now in my program monitor, I can see the two clips that I've edited together. Now then, when I played this back, you'll hear some sound. If I don't want to choose the sound or the video, you'll notice here I've got two icons, a drag video only icon and a drag audio only icon. Let's get rid of this clip here. Say that you can see I've got an audio waveform, which I think is mainly the wind noise, but let's just say I want to keep that, and I just want the video from this shot. I can click, hold and drag my selection, but just bring down the video. You see it's got no audio with it. Bring that to there, and then as it plays along, it's just the video clip. I hope that was a helpful tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Please subscribe, like and comment, and thank you very much.